Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Children, in our last session, we have discussed the bits of lesson 12, La to La, the top. In today's session, children, let us discuss the remaining bits. Today, we are going to discuss grammar fun. In grammar fun, today's our topic is conjunctions. Words such as and, but, and are that are used to join words and sentences are joining words. Joining words are called conjunctions. Okay. So what are conjunctions? The joining words are called as conjunctions. So words such as and, but, or, are we use to join the words and sentences. So the words that use to join the words and sentences are called as conjunctions. Now look at the examples, children, here. Bread and butter. So we are joining bread, butter with the help of the word and. So and is called as a conjunction. Now coming to the sentences. Apples are sweet. Lemons are sour. These are the two sentences. But by using the word but, we are joining both the sentences. Like apples are sweet but lemons are sour. So the words which are used to join words or sentences are called as conjunctions. And the conjunctions are and, but, or, are. Now here Biji, fill in the blanks with and, or, but. Now by using the conjunction and, but, you have to complete the fill in the blanks. Here the first one, children. The tables dash chairs chased la to la. The tables dash chairs chased la to la. So what is the conjunction we have to write here? It's and. A-N-D, and. The tables and chairs chased la to la. Second one. Raju ran fast dash could not catch the bus. Raju ran fast dash could not catch the bus. So here the conjunction is but. Raju ran fast but could not catch the bus. Third one. I searched for my book dash could not find it. I searched for my book dash could not find it. So here the conjunction what we use? But. I searched for my book but could not find it. The fourth one. Susan dash Sona watered the plants. Susan dash Sona watered the plants. So here the conjunction is and. A-N-D, and. And the sentence is Susan and Sona watered the plants. Fifth one. I had apples dash oranges for breakfast. I had apples dash oranges for breakfast. So the conjunction here is and. And I had apples and oranges for breakfast. Now the last sixth one, children. The dog chased the squirrel dash could not catch her. The dog chased the squirrel dash could not catch her. So here the conjunction is but. The dog chased the squirrel but could not catch her. Okay. Now let us read the fill in the blanks, children. First one. The tables and chairs chased la to la. Second one. Raju ran fast but could not catch the bus. Third one. I searched for my book but could not find it. Fourth one. Susan and Sona watered the plants. Fifth one. I had apples and oranges for breakfast. Last sixth one. The dog chased the squirrel but could not catch her. Okay. Now the last bit of this lesson, bit H. Choose the correct words within the brackets to complete the paragraph. Choose the correct words within the brackets to complete the paragraph. So here the paragraph is given in middle Few options are given. You have to choose the correct word and complete the paragraph. Okay. So here, this is my granny's house. This is my granny's house. It is red dash yellow. So what are the colors are there, children, here? It is red color, yellow color. So it is red and yellow. Next, it has a living room, a bedroom, dash a kitchen. So what are there in the house? It has a living room, a bedroom and a kitchen. Circle and. Next, she keeps the house neat, dash beautiful. She keeps the house neat and beautiful. Circle and, children. Next, she has a television, dash. She does not have a computer. She has a television but she does not have a computer. Circle but. Next, she grows vegetable, dash flowers in her garden. So she grows vegetables and flowers in her garden. So circle and, children. Circle and, children. Now let us read the paragraph. Here. This is my granny's house. It is red and yellow. It has a living room, a bedroom and a kitchen. She keeps the house neat and beautiful. She has a television but she does not have a computer. She grows vegetables and flowers in her garden. Okay, children, that is about bit H. Now with this we have completed all the bits of lesson 12, La to La, the top. Now coming to today's homework, children, learn and write all the bits of lesson 12 in your textbook. Okay, children, that's it for today. See you in the next session. Bye, children.